unlimited, guys. This is totally for free, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm just going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Forge of Empires for iOS and Android. So what this will do is give you unlimited diamonds. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on right here just to show you guys that it actually works. So let's see if our diamonds start going up. So currently I've got 1,350, which is ass. So I'm just hoping that I can get some more diamonds. I'm not really sure if this is going to work or not, but I just enabled the unlimited diamonds option. So yeah, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. It's super simple. So let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is just go to the website, tweakmod.com. So once you're on this site, just go to the search bar and type in Forge of Empires, press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So what this is you just got to download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So it's usually pretty simple. You guys shouldn't be waiting that long, but I'm just going to wait for it to load here, as you can see. So yeah, we'll just give it a second to load up. So yeah, I don't really do videos like this, but Tweakmod is like a legit site, so I had to share it with you guys. It's super cool. So as you can see, guys, it's gonna say like missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps. You don't have to download all of them, but just make sure you get 2 of them. So like Travel Town says reach level 9, and it's like a game. So I just press continue, and then it will take me to the app store. And for instance, this one I had to reach level 9 on it. But some of them are a lot easier, like Evertail just says down and run for 30 seconds, Underdog Fantasy, same thing. So just make sure you get 2 of them, and that's how to get the Forge of Empires hack for your device in 2025, guys. Tweakmod.com, that's the website you gotta try. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, peace out. This is super cool.